Alright guys, I'm really trying to figure out why we can't kill a deer. This is also my first hunt with my contacts, so I can actually see. Yum, yum, yum. I kind of know why. Mainly because we're bad. We don't know what we're doing. Move too much. Call too much. Bad spot. Nah, we're in pretty good spots. We're in good areas. There's deer around me somewhere. I'm just not good at getting to them. Normally I can get to the deer. I just can't kill them. But I can't even get to them out here. I mean, it has been brutal. It's November 22nd, and we have not let an arrow fly in Arkansas. We've been here since the first week of October. I mean, we're coming up on 2 months of hunting. I mean, I don't go every day, but I go every chance I get. Yeah, we kind of suck, but good news is our best place where we had our biggest bucks on camera is closed for last weekend and this weekend. I said it last weekend anyway because I didn't know, but once again, not really a threat to wildlife. It's Saturday afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock. We're heading in, gonna do some scouting, sit down in here somewhere. We gotta be getting close. There's another one on that tree. Yeah, that's what we've been looking for the whole time. All right, guys, it's 1:15. We just got off work. We woke up at 2 a.m. to get here just so we could go hunt this spot today. We get off at 1. We've hunted it twice this weekend, have not even seen a deer yet, not even heard a deer, but there's gonna be a deer there today. It's about 50 degrees. It's been raining all day. It's supposed to hold off a little bit. I mean, the whole sky's brown, but we shall see. But we're gonna kill something today. I can feel it. Feeling it today. All right, guys, we're headed in. Absolutely gorgeous day out, but at least we know what we're getting into. It's not like it just started raining. It's been raining all day. We knew it was gonna be wet and cold when we decided to go. But I don't know. Just got a good feeling. What's up, guys? It's November 24th. We got an interesting setup here today. We're in the same spot we found Saturday afternoon. We hunted that afternoon and we came back Sunday morning. No deer either time. But there was some fresh. It's like an old walking trail that's not maintained. But there's a bunch of deer trails like through the walking trail. And there's some old rubs, some fresh scrapes, some real fresh scrapes on Saturday. But it's like 50 degrees, the wind's howling, and it's raining. But for some reason I just have a really good feeling about it, even though I hunted Friday afternoon, Saturday both times, Sunday both times, and still haven't seen a deer yet. Got a really good feeling. I don't know why. It's just unwarranted confidence, I guess. But with this weather and it just sucking, I just really think they're going to be moving. I did bump a doe on the way in here on part of the other walking trail. I got to like 10 yards before she hopped up. I wish, if you want to went into some thick stuff, I would just shot her right there. But like I said, the wind's howling and it's wet, so you can really sneak up on them. And also it's super foggy, rainy. So I mean, I really can't even see that far. Like I could probably see 100 yards. And like 40 of that is really blurry. So gotta keep my eyes peeled out here. We got good wind. We're up underneath this tree. Got my orange there because it's wet and I don't want to wear it. But we're up under this link tree. Right there's the trail. It kind of comes right there beside us. The wind's blowing in our face this way. There's another kind of trail that comes up the backside there. I had a camera about 30 yards behind us. I'm about to check it. I pulled the SD card. I'm about to see if there's any deer on it. Probably not. But yeah. I mean, for it to be raining on me and feeling like this, I feel really, really good. I'm really excited. This is one of those hunts that either remind you why you love it or make you want to sell all your gear. So, we'll see. I'm excited though. Keep you updated. I would like to say that we're just having a great time. Absolutely wonderful out here. Shut up. Still think one's coming. It's not. When I tell you, I just had a huge 8-pointer, bro. Walk 5 yards from me. He was at that tree. That's maybe 7 yards, 8 yards. Dude, I mean, he walked. I looked up and he was at like 12. And I grabbed my bow and like, he had walked by me already and I had one shot. And when I popped it back, like when it finally locked out, He turned and looked and busted immediately, and I didn't have a chance to shoot. Oh, dude, you can see, I mean, it's pouring rain on me. I'm soaking wet to the absolute bone. To the bone, dude, my ball wet. And I just had a freaking tank. I mean, he wasn't like a freaking 160 or nothing, but he was a good deer. He was probably 130 at least. I mean, his horns were way out here. And they were like dark at the bottom and like real light on the tops. Like, I looked up and just, it almost looked fake. Guys, oh, I have no words for that. I have no, just poor execution, dude. Just piss poor execution. I mean, you get a buck within 7 yards, he should be dead. I don't care if I have to jump on his back and stab him. I probably would have been better off. I don't know if you can tell in the video how big he was, dude, but I swear he was huge. Oh my goodness. That might be the closest I've ever been to a deer that wasn't dead. And I didn't shoot it. Holy nightmare. Alright guys, a little post-game interview while we wait on our food here to drown out the pain. So, first of all, that sucks. But, like, we did it. Like, we went, I scouted that on Saturday, came all the way back on Monday just to hunt that area. Thought there was a big deer in there based off the sign. There was. Got it to 5 yards. Got drawn back. All we needed was one more second. I mean, we did it, we just didn't execute the end goal.